do you tell fixed expenses from variable expenses? Knowing how to do this makes it easier to manage money over time. Expenses are money spent. Fixed expenses occur on a regular basis. Monthly bills are fixed expenses. Variable expenses do not occur on a regular basis. Car repairs are an example of a variable expense. Jamal's family had the expenses shown in the table. What are their total fixed expenses? What are their total variable expenses? You can tell fixed expenses from variable expenses by deciding whether or not the expense must be paid regularly. Find the family's total fixed expenses. Rent and car payment are fixed expenses. Jamal's family had $1,338 in fixed expenses. Why is rent a fixed expense? Rent must be paid regularly. When might some of the costs for a home be considered variable expenses? Home repairs or improvements would be a variable expense. Find the family's total variable expenses. Car repair, movie tickets, and shoes and clothing are variable expenses. Jamal's family had $786 in variable expenses. Why are shoes and clothing considered a variable expense instead of a fixed expense? Shoes and clothing are not purchased regularly. Now you know how to tell fixed expenses from variable expenses.